Alright, so the first box of the break going to be 2015 Donruss. Got 24 packs, 3 autos or jerseys. I haven't seen any breaks of this yet, but I know it's pretty much like Donruss, last year's Donruss and Panini Elite put together. Alright, 2015 Donruss pack number 1. Uh, 2015. Looks like a rookie and a code card. To show the rookie, got a rookie for the Falcons. That is Justin Hardy. Justin Hardy for the Falcons. And that is, let me see if there's numbering. No numbering on the base rookies. On to pack number 2. I got a backwards card. I'm gonna assume that's a hit. So, hit number 1 is a dual jersey for the 49ers. That is Carlos Hyde and Mike Davis. Carlos Hyde and Mike Davis. Dual jersey. Looking for a numbering, and it is not numbered. So, hit number 1. Carlos Hyde, Mike Davis, dual jersey for the 49ers. Nice to see Hyde after he tore it up on Monday night. The rookie, that is a rookie. Got 2 rookies in this pack. Rookie for the Packers, Demarcus Randall. Demarcus Randall for the Packers. Not numbered. And a elite rookie for the Dolphins, Jay Ajayi. Jay Ajayi for the Dolphins. Next pack. Insert. Looks like just one insert. Not numbered. Elite insert for the Packers of Aaron Rodgers. Not numbered. Aaron Rodgers elite insert. Or elite base card. I don't know what the difference is. Insert base card, whatever. Next pack, there's a rookie and a backwards one. Looks like 2 rookies and a hit. The rookie for the Steelers, Bud Dupree. Bud Dupree for the Steelers. Elite rookie for the Steelers again, Sammy Coates. Sammy Coates for the Steelers. Elite rookie. And the backwards card, Byron. Oh, it's not an auto. Byron Jones for the Cowboys. Looks like a green parallel. Byron Jones for the Cowboys, green, numbered out of 222. Byron Jones for the Cowboys looks like out of 222. Can't really make out the writing too well though. Byron Jones. Thought it was going to be an auto because it was backwards. Looks like they threw the inserts backwards too. Or the parallels. Got a couple inserts. Passing the torch, Reggie Wayne for the Colts. And Philip Dorsett on the back side of it. Reggie Wayne, Philip Dorsett passing the torch insert for the Colts. And a Matt Ryan Elite insert base card, whatever you want to call it. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Still looking for 2 more hits. Still a ton of packs left. Just one insert. Got a Des Bryant Elite base insert, whatever you call it. Des Bryant for the Cowboys. Next pack. It's got a rookie. Got the Elite Rookie for the Ravens, Max Williams. Max Williams for the Ravens. Next pick. Rookie, couple rookies, another backwards one. See if the backwards one's going to be a hit or if it's going to be a parallel. I got a couple rookies in this one. For the Bills, Ronald Darby. Ronald Darby for the Bills. For the Patriots, Malcolm Brown. Malcolm Brown for the Patriots. Elite Rookie for the Redskins, Matt Jones. Matt Jones for the Redskins. And the backwards one is for the Packers, Jordy Nelson. Looks like a gold parallel. Jordy Nelson gold out of 155. So look at some weird numberings on the cards, but Jordy Nelson gold out of 155 for the Packers. Too bad he's done for the year. Rookie, no. Oh, that is a rookie. Upside down. Alright, got a couple inserts and a rookie. Excuse me. Passing the torch for the Raiders, got Tim Brown and Amari Cooper. Tim Brown and Amari Cooper passing the torch for the Raiders. Then you got a Derek Carr Elite base card, I guess. Derek Carr for the Raiders. And the rookie is Byron Jones. Byron Jones for the Cowboys. We're probably about halfway through. Still looking for 2 more hits. At least one of them is going to be an auto. Got another backwards one and an insert. Insert for the Eagles, DeMarco Murray. Elite Series. DeMarco Murray. That is not numbered. DeMarco Murray Elite Series for the Eagles. And the backwards one is an auto. Got some ink. Troy Nicholas for the Cardinals. Is he a rookie this year? I think so. Troy Nicholas for the Cardinals. I think they're an auction team too. So a nice hit. Troy Nicholas. So there's 2 hits out of the way. So looking for one more. Joink. Got a backwards one, backwards shiny one. And a Jordy Nelson Elite base card for the Packers. Jordy Nelson. The backwards one, shiny on the backside. Kiko Alonso. Kiko Alonso for the Eagles. Don't see a numbering on it. Not sure why the backside is shiny. It's got to be some kind of parallel because the backside is shiny and none of the other cards are shiny like that. Must be a short print maybe. Kiko Alonso for the Eagles, shiny back. Not sure what that one is, but it goes to the Eagles. Next pack. Got a backwards one and a rookie. A rookie for the Saints. Garrett Grayson, excuse me. Garrett Grayson for the Saints. And the backwards one is Calvin. Calvin Johnson, throwback rookie. Or throwback parallel, whatever you call it. Calvin Johnson for the Lions, not numbered. Looks like we probably have about 8 packs left now. Still looking for one more hit. Another backwards one. Got an elite rookie for the Titans, David Cobb. David Cobb for the Titans. And the backwards one, Aaron, Mr. Rodgers. Just looks like a Classics insert. Aaron Rodgers Classics, not numbered. Not sure why they're throwing those backwards in the pack. Yeah, they're throwing everything backwards now. Backward City. Got the elite base rookie for the Jaguars, Blake Bortles. Blake Bortles elite. And the backwards one goes to the Bucks. Nice one, Jameis Winston rated rookie. Not sure if those are short print or not, or if they're like 1 in 10 packs or something. Jameis Winston for the Bucks, rated rookie. Alright, this pack is a little thicker than the rest of them. Assuming it's going to be a hit. So it does look like a hit. Got a passing the torch for the Rams, Marshall Faulk and Todd Gurley. Marshall Faulk and Todd Gurley passing the torch. And our last hit is going to be a patch. Nice. For the Ravens, Brashad Perriman, numbered out of 49. Brashad Perriman, 2-colored patch. Looks like a piece of the number or letter, probably nameplate or something. Brashad Perriman for the Ravens, patch out of 49. So that's all the hits out of the way. Still have 2, 4, 6, 8 packs left. Maybe a bonus hit. Probably not, but would be nice. Rookie move to the back. Backwards one. Play card. Alright, a couple rookies and another backwards one. Rookie for the Jets. Devin Smith. Sorry, I was looking at my computer trying to read it. It was coming a little fuzzy. Devin Smith for the Jets. Next one, rookie for the Panthers, Shaq Thompson. Shaq Thompson for the Panthers. And the backwards one. Oh, nice. Nice and shiny. Alfred Morris for the Redskins. Numbered out of 999. Short print. Alfred Morris for the Redskins out of 999. Probably won't find too many of those. Next pack. Looks like a couple inserts. These ones aren't backwards though. For the Steelers, Antonio Brown. Not numbered. Antonio Brown insert. And a Calvin Johnson Gridiron Kings insert for the Lions. Calvin Johnson. Six packs left. Rookie, there's a rookie and a backwards one and an insert. Okay. Got a rookie for the Cowboys, Randy Gregory. Randy Gregory. Backwards one, Bud Dupree, purple, press proof for the Steelers out of 199. Bud Dupree for the Steelers out of 199. And a Gridiron Kings for the Giants, Odell Beckham Jr. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants. 5 packs remaining. Code. Base. Couple Gridiron Kings. Gridiron Kings for the Raiders, Derek Carr. Derek Carr for the Raiders. And this one's backwards. Not sure if there's going to be a difference to it, but it's Ryan Tannehill. Gridiron Kings. Oh, it's numbered. Must be some kind of parallel. Ryan Tannehill for the Dolphins out of 392. 392 for the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. 4 packs left. And this is going to be the longest box of the break. Started first with it just to get it out of the way. Rookie, insert. Got a rookie for the Broncos, Shane Ray. Shane Ray for the Broncos. Parallel rookie for the Saints, Garrett Grayson. Garrett Grayson, not numbered. And the elite base card, Phillip Rivers for the crappy Chargers who beat my Lions. Punks. Phillip Rivers. Three packs left. Yeah, this product's like a mix of like 3 different products. You got Elite, Classics, and Donruss. So we got a little mix going on. Rated rookie insert for the Jets, Devin Smith. Devin Smith for the Jets. Got the Elite base card of Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. Larry Fitzgerald. And a rookie for the Saints, Stephon Anthony. Stephon Anthony for the Saints rookie. So, just 2 packs left. Hopefully, maybe a parallel. Something. There's a rookie. Another rookie. 3 rookies. Got a few rookies. Rookie for the Giants, Landon Collins. Landon Collins for the Giants. For the Eagles, Nelson Aguilar. Nelson Aguilar for the Eagles. And Elite rookie for the Cardinals, David Johnson. Might start getting some playing time. David Johnson. Alright, 1 pack left. Empty box. Last pack. 2015 Donruss. See what we got. Just a rookie and an insert. Rated rookie insert for the Ravens, Max Williams. Max Williams for the Ravens. And the Elite base card, Demaryius Thomas for the Broncos. So that does it for